kick off the week, it's all about deal flow. Without a deal, we don't have investors. We're not raising money. We have no asset management. We have no capex. It all starts with the deal. So if you love to shop or hunt, that's what I always like to say. My shoppers, my hunters, we love to go find something. These deals are found through where, Shawn?
Well, there's a couple places find them, through the company's websites, through relationships, obviously through brokers. We talk about it all the time. You don't want to pick up the phone and call that broker, and that broker know immediately that you've never bought property before, that you're a novice or something like that, because it's going to throw the wagon way off the trail. They're not going to give you much time of day until they know you're serious. So
yeah, that's it. You come from the residential world. This is not residential. There's not putting them on MLS first, and then that's how they market pocket listings, which can get almost illegal in residential. Can absolutely. That's usually where it starts. It's the Wild Wild West. It is very much who you know, and deal flow starts coming from the brokers first. And we have to know the mindset of a broker. A broker's like, okay, who's in my database? If I get a listing, who am I going to call first that this is on the market? So it may start there before it even gets on their site. If they have to do an OM, that's a lot of money and time. So they're going to first exhaust their network of people that can close the deal. When you start reaching out to brokers and they start asking you your buy box, or you reach out on a property, they're going to put a label, just like a Post-it note label, on you. They're going to be like, this person buys A assets in these areas, and I'm going to start now thinking about them in that sector. They're going to probably not send you C deals. So just know when you're reaching out to brokers, even what it's subconsciously, they're going to put a label. They're going to be like, okay, this is their buy box, this property, I can send them like to like properties, but they're not going to send you anything if they don't know you or don't know that you can close.
yeah.
So at some level, you're going to start reaching out. You're going to start walking properties with them. These are our deal finders. And then you can keep and connect with them. And then they're going to hopefully be calling you about those off-market deals, which is where that level you want to get to.